Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to make your car a little louder without having to buy an intake. Alright, so there are 2 screws, one right there and one down there. You're going to need 10mm bolt again with an extension. And what you're trying to reach is this hose right here, putting a little bit of light on it. So if you lift this box up, just like that, and remove that like this. Set you guys right here. And all you want to do is just reach in here, pull this little clamp up, not clamp, but this, and then just want to reassemble it just like that. And again, do this at your own risk. This is a temporary solution until I get a short ram intake. But you know, I saw a video of it and wanted to try it out. So yeah, you're gonna want to put everything back together, and then I'll show you guys how it sounds. So it gives it a little bit of a more throaty sound, and you know, it's free. The air still has to go through the filter, so I mean, I don't guarantee anything will happen to your car, but you know, do it at your own risk. For the most part, I mean, this is temporary until I get a you know, short ram intake. But like I said, it's free and it takes 2 minutes, and these are the results. So if you want to do it, go ahead, but do it at your own risk again. Anyways, thanks for watching.